How to change your avatar in PUBG Mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your PUBG Mobile's avatar in your iPhone. Now, this also works for your Android. All you need is your PUBG app. So without any further ado, let us just begin. First, after you've opened up your PUBG Mobile, you will see on the top left your profile. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will see your details right here. Now you will see your name, you will see your profile icon. Just tap on it and open it up. Now right there you will see change avatar and change avatar frame. Now tap on change avatar. Now as you can see right here, you will need to just buy or unlock these avatars to change them. So yeah, you basically need to keep on playing, and after you keep on playing, after you keep getting higher rank, you will get the avatars, you will start unlocking them. So yeah, you basically need to just go over there and select an avatar after you've unlocked it and tap on this use button on the bottom right. Now if you want to use your own avatar, that is, you need to connect to your Facebook or your Gmail, I mean your Google account, and after you do so, you will be able to simply just upload your profile picture and use that as well. So yeah, it's really simple. Just select an avatar and simply tap on the bottom left and you'll be able to change it. So it's that simple guys. That is how you change your avatar in your PUBG Mobile. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.